Hello, everybody. A warm welcome to every one of you. Let's talk about gift cards and what you should know about them. So, here are 5 facts that I have put together for you to consider. Number one, gift card is money. So, if you don't like money, you have to skip this video right now. But if you do, then watch the entire video because I have packaged this 5 fact as a digestible bullet point for you to just get into that space of gift cards. You don't need any prior experience, whatever. Fact number two, gift cards can come in the form of a card, paper voucher, or e-codes, which is digitized and can be sent to you via mail. So what this means is think of your ATM card. Yeah, gift cards come like that, or your paper voucher, which is what you get when you do POS transactions or when you buy stuff from the supermarket or something, or the mart, or e-codes, which can be sent to you via mail. So when you get a gift card, you don't have to worry if it's coming in a form that you didn't expect, which definitely could be one of these forms, right? So before we proceed to fact number three, guys, please take a fraction of a second to subscribe if you haven't, and give this video a like as well. Fact number three, guys, you will most likely convert your gift card to cash at a lower rate than the exchange rate in your local country. So for instance, I reside in Nigeria, and I think $20 could be somewhere around, let's say, 14,000 naira, for instance. So if I have a $20 iTunes gift card, that means I am not getting 14,000 naira for that conversion. I am definitely going to be getting less than that. It's just the way the gift card market works, guys. Get over that and no peace. Fact number four, guys, gift card can be used to purchase items from respective vendors. So think of it as a loyalty package stuff. For instance, if I have again $20 item gift cards, that means I will have to use it on anything Apple. So if it's iCloud or the Apple Store or anything on the Apple platform, that means I cannot take that iTunes gift card to want to use it in a Google Play gift card. It cannot work. The next way I will have to use it is to then convert it. So those are the only two options. You're either using it on the respective marketplace. So if I have a Steam gift card, I can only use it on the Steam platform, or I'm converting it to cash to spend, like my local currency. Fact number five, which is the last but not the least, guys, to convert a gift card to cash, you will have to sell it directly to someone who wants to buy, who wants to give you money to take it, or, which is a must, you have to use it as at a designated marketplace, which I try to explain in point number 4 above. But surely it is exchanged at a marketplace. To find out which marketplace I recommend, one that I have used myself and I have tested, then click on the card floating on your screen right now. So guys, as promised, this video is pretty short, cut and dry. 5 facts for you to consider to get into the gift card space, and I hope that this video will go a long way to help you. If you do not understand any, please go back again and replay this video over and over and over again, and of course do well to send it to someone who wants this information. And linked in the description box of this video is a video where I describe all the necessary steps in order for you to get into the technicalities of the gift card business. I hope this video is fulfilling and enriching to you guys. If you have any comments, thoughts, opinions, probably something I did not cover or something I did not explain enough in depth for you, or you flat out just didn't like this video, or you feel there's something I should do right, feel free to use the comment section, guys. All comments are welcome. Thank you guys for your time, and I will see you guys again. Bye.